more timber panelling. That's awesome.
I love that roof.
Neil said, I have one word for this room. And that word is...
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Somebody has given us a room, finally, that feels modern and luxurious and glamorous and absolutely on brief for the building that we're in.
This room feels like it belongs in 2018. It's simple and right on the money aesthetically.
I love the blue, I love the pink.
I love those bedside lights.
Oh, I
love them.
I mean, look. So you can angle them away from you, angle them towards the book. Fabulous.
And I think, I'm just looking there, I think they are my new favourite bedside tables ever.
Floating and underlit.
Oh my God, underlit and the PowerPoint to the side.
I just saw.
And with PowerPoints in them.
Yes.
And light switches beside them.
Yeah. Genius.
Amazing. Who would have thought?
We're just here, Scotty.
I remember they said in their styling challenge that they had a bad day.
Is that right?
Yeah.
A very bad
we did
day.
have a bad day.
Well, this is a very good day.
It's almost impossible to believe that it's Bianca and Carla. You know, I was really worried after that challenge that they didn't understand proportion, that they didn't understand styling. I mean, they certainly did have an off day.
Yeah.
Because this is next level.
Neil said, if I was checking into a luxury hotel in St Kilda tonight, this is what I would expect to see.
How good is this chick? She is absolutely nailing it. She doubts herself all the time, but I hope now you believe in what you're doing.
This chair and this table beside it and the styling tells a story and sells the dream.
When you're laying in the bed, you can see that gorgeous artwork and you see this chair. And I can see
Oh, what have you seen?
the fact that they didn't paint underneath the bedsides.
Oh, really?
I'm not sure if it's on the other side as well.
Uma.
Right.
Oh, yep, same on the other side.
It was getting very late this morning and we thought we've got to actually put some stuff to style in this room or we finish painting underneath. Yeah.
I didn't think they'd get down on their hands and knees and have a look at the bedside table.
That's a finishing issue.
Yes.
And there are a few. I mean, look here at this beautiful switch. If you're going to go to the effort of recessing these switches, make sure that the finishing around it actually does it justice.
I'm beyond excited to see what this walk-in robe is going to be.
I can see a little glimmer through here, and it's a little glimmer of glamour.
Oh, I see exactly what you mean. How beautiful is that?
I know, right?
Oh. Drawers, shelves, we've got double hang, and we've got our levers. Look at this. I love them.
It feels luxurious in here, and it feels beautifully bespoke.
Yeah.
The materiality of this is phenomenal, like this dark and then the brass. It's just so good.
Next level design and aspirational, which is exactly what the buyers want. Get the painting and the plastering on track and you will deliver an exceptional apartment, girls. That's it, well done.
Well done, guys.
We weren't expecting so much great feedback.
I didn't think I knew what luxe was, so I'm really glad that
And
the
you nailed
judges
it.
liked it.